Hi everyone, today I'm reviewing the KIWI Sneaker Protector. This is something I highly recommend if you are in rainy or going up certain hikes or whatnot and you want to keep your shoes clean. This is the product to buy. Now a lot of folks, what they don't understand and what they may do is they may buy some sneakers, okay, and the sneakers may not be waterproof or dirt proof or whatnot, and that's okay, that's fine, because you can make it that way. You don't have to pay extra $10-$20. What you can do is just buy this one here and it will make your shoe waterproof. Now keep in mind, once you apply this, it will get warmer inside the shoe because you've got a protective layer on top, so the breathability will decrease using this type of product, which it makes sense with other products that are water resistant or whatnot. And you can see right here, here's some of the advantages. Helps shoes last longer. Invisible shield creates protection against water, snow, dirt, dust, and salt. Suitable for all materials and color. Okay, and these are some of the directions for you to utilize it. So just make sure that you are paying attention when you're using it and using it the right way. So I'm gonna go ahead and basically clean these shoes of any debris on the outside, and after doing that I'm gonna let it dry for a second, then I'm gonna apply this spray to make it waterproof. So you can see right here, I went ahead and sprayed one of the sides. You want to keep, like I recommend, 7 to 10 inches away. This does have a very strong smell, so make sure you are in a ventilated area where you can be able to breathe, because this is a very strong chemical. Just keep that in mind. And as the directions do state, you want to be able to allow it to dry at room temperature for 1 hour. So I'm going to go ahead and spray it, leave it outside probably for more than an hour because it is humid outside and I want it to dry longer. With that said, we're going to go ahead and see the end result. Alright, so we went ahead and sprayed it. It is right now drying. This one, as you can see, it is still drying. It's been over an hour, but you can see it's a big difference here. There's not much of the liquid looking stuff. It's kind of going into the fabric and whatnot. So really looking forward to this. If you guys want to purchase this item, I'll leave a link down below in the description. If this was helpful, please press the like button, subscribe for more videos with the notification bell, and comment down below if you've tried this or any other waterproof fabric protector. Happy to hear your thoughts here on the channel and comments down below. Thanks, and see you guys later.